Every year Muslims wait for this holy month. We wait to completely submit ourselves and pray for everyone's well-being. But there is a place on this earth where Muslims are not allowed to celebrate Ramadan. And that place is East Turkestan, which is currently occupied by China. And these unfortunate people are Uyghurs who are being tortured for following Islam. Every year Chinese authorities ban millions of Uyghurs from keeping fasts. Uyghur workers are forced to take meals throughout the days, keep their restaurants, shops open till late hours, and forced to even drink alcohol during it. The situation has got so worse that now China has locked up more than 1 million Uyghurs in barbaric camps. In these camps, Chinese officials are brainwashing Uyghurs to forget their Islamic identities. They are forced to eat pork if they don't follow the orders. This year, while you remember Allah, Uyghurs are being forced to forget Him. Should you still keep quiet? Should you let this continue? Should you support this genocide? If not, then please share this video with your government. They could be top-level officials or even at small level, or anyone. This Ramadan, don't sit quiet, be loud and clear. Ask your government to save Uyghurs.